What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy, and today we have an unboxing video. Now, as you guys seen the title already, I've been waiting for this for a while. We have the new PS5 controllers. Now, there was the black one. I was thinking about getting it, but I didn't. I just went with this red color. Now, we're gonna get the first looks of it right here. Let's pull this bad boy out of the box. I hope everyone's doing good. Let's get rid of that. Here we go. The PS5 controller. Like controller. Now, PlayStation is always very slow at getting colors for controllers. Xbox kills the game on that. And I'm happy I got this controller, but I'm not gonna lie, I haven't played my PS5 in a long time. And I played a little bit of it actually, but not as much as I should be playing. Your boy's going over to the PC life. Little Valheim. Before I open this, everyone leave your favorite game in the comments below. I want to know what's your favorite game that you played of all time, of yours. I don't know what mine is. Probably Grand Theft Auto, Vice City. That was probably my favorite game of all time. That game changed my life. Alright. So there goes the controller right there. And of course you got your instructions. No extra HDMI or USB, I might say. There goes the first look. It's the first look. Let's do the first look. That's the first look right there, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so there you go. This is the look of it. Like, you guys are seeing it more than me. I'm just looking at it from the back. Oh. All right, so this is the look. Now, this looks like more of a pink to me. I am colorblind. I do see colors different through these eyes. I kind of said it looks more of like a magenta color. I don't know what magenta look like. I don't know what that is. Is it pink? Is it red? I don't know. Is this more of a pink or a red to you?
Dark pink.
So she says a dark pink too. I think it looks smooth. I do like pink. It's in my top favorite colors. Pink is really smooth. I like this a lot. I do like this controller. I'm glad it looks more pinkish than like a dark red like this. Like the typical red we always get. Like, I'm glad we got, something a little flashier. Now, I kind of do wish I would have got the black one, but $140 for two controllers, I'm going to take it easy on that. But this looks smooth. I like it a lot. And this was the one that was selling out quicker than, all the other ones. I'm surprised they didn't drop a blue along with the red pink. Give us some other variety. Like I said, Xbox kills the games when it comes to controllers and getting different colors. It's like pulling teeth with PlayStation to drop new controller colors. They always wait till a limited edition PlayStation comes out, and then you got to go buy the controller. So, but I really like this DualShock controller. It looks really good. I'm gonna turn it on. So when you turn it on, it probably won't stay on long because I don't have it connected. But yeah, you got your colors on the outside, your little LEDs. I will say this is a smooth color. 2 thumbs up for me from PlayStation. I wish they would have dropped another color. I know my boy Collins wanted a blue one, and he probably won't see a blue one for a couple of months, half of a year. I don't know. That's normally how PlayStation does on controllers. Man, should I have got the black one? Nah, it's fine. Let's see the white one. Let me grab it. It's right over here. It's probably dusty. But yeah. Look at those. Those are... Man, these controllers are so nice, man. Alright, so there you have it. That was the new PS5 controller. I really do like it. I like the pink/red color. I give it 2 thumbs up. It's going to be my new main controller. And if you guys like it as well, hit the thumbs up down below. And if you guys like this video, also hit the thumbs up. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys liked your quick little look at this new DualShock controller. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.